Hey y'all, Sarah here at Fab Nails. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you how I do some animal print nails. Let's get into it. Okay, so I have some nails prepped here and they are matte. I'm going to leave the darker brown ones matte and these two will be shiny at the end. So the two colors are from Daily Charme. The lighter color is called Maple Cream. It's a really pretty background color for stamping in my opinion. And then the darker color is called Americano. And the stamping plate we're going to be using today is this one from Clear Jelly Stamper. And it is CJS 77. So I'm going to be doing a 2-layer one of the leopard print. I believe either leopard or giraffe. I haven't fully decided yet. And then we're just going to do a single one of, I believe I'm going to do the tiger print or the zebra print. Haven't fully decided on that one either. So what we're going to need to do is clean our plate with some acetone. Like so. And then I'm going to be using the Big Bling from Clear Jelly Stamper. And then the two stamping polishes I'm going to use are gray and this glittery purple. The dark gray is number 42. And then the glittery purple is number 35. And then I'm going to do one of our nails. So I think I'm going to do the the giraffe print one, since it's a little bigger. So my spots are going to be this one right here, and I'm going to use my gray. And then scrape and roll. And there you have your spots. Hold for a few seconds and then release. And there we have our giraffe spots. Always use a lint roller to clean your stamper. I'm going to clean my plate here really quick. These kind of plates are really good for beginners. There's just a couple layers or just a single layer too. So you get the feel of stamping. That's how I started, and you can just progress after that. Now I'm going to take my shimmering purple for the outline. Scrape and roll. And we have our outline. So I just try to line it up in the center. See if I can't show you a little better. In the center, so then it's lined up around everywhere else. Hope you can see that. So we're just going to gently put everything down, and it's mostly lined up. People aren't really going to tell if it's off by a little bit. you're always going to have some that stick up, so just press them down with your finger. And there you have draft print. Clean your stamper. Clean your plate really well. Alright, so I'm going to use this print. This is the tiger one, this is the zebra one. I like the tiger one for a zebra print. I just think it looks better in my opinion. So I'm going to use the sparkly purple for this. I'm not going to worry about this right here because it's not going to get on the nail since it's a big area for a stamp. And then you're just going to flop it down where you want it, hold for a few seconds, and release. And you're going to have these all the time. And there is your tiger print. And that's what they look like. So I'm going to throw a shiny top coat on the stamp ones, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Alright, these are what the nails look like finished. Pretty cute. Again, that stamping plate is really great for beginners, just to help practice on the layering. I'll leave everything in the description box below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you all so much for joining me today in my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you're having the best day ever. Bye!